Yes.
Hello, hi, good morning, children. How are you people today? Hope you all are fine, right? Yes, everybody are fine. Okay, shall we recap about yesterday's topic, children? Yes, what we have learned yesterday? What we have learned? Yes, about the good habits and the parts of our body, right? So, what parts of body did we learn, children? Yeah, we learned head, ears, eyes, nose, mouth, cheeks, right? So these all body parts we have learned yesterday. Come on, you tell me what did we learn yesterday, ma? What did we learn? Yeah, body parts, right? Now you name them, beta. Head, eyes, ears, nose, mouth, right? Okay. So today I'm going to introduce about our now topic about sense organ. Okay, children? Are you all ready to hear me? Are you all ready to hear me? Yes. Now listen to your teacher, everybody, carefully. Otherwise, you cannot understand the topic. Yes, children? Yes. Now, now show me your eyes, beta. Yes, this is your eyes. Now show me your nose, beta. Yeah, this is your nose. Show me your tongue. Show me your tongue. Yes, this is the tongue. Yes. Now, what is this, children? This is the skin. Yes or no? What is this? This is the skin. Now, children, stand up, everybody. Everybody stand. Everybody stand, children. Yes. Now look at your teacher. Now teacher is closing eyes. You people also should close your eyes. Close your eyes, children. Everybody close your eyes. Yes. Everybody closed your eyes. Yes. Now, how it is inside? Can you see anything? No. It is totally dark, right? Can you see anything? No. Now slowly open your hands. Yes, take out your hands, everybody. Yes. Now you can see the whole world. Wow, very nice world, right? See what a beautiful nature, right? You see the star. What are these, children? These are stars. Where can you see the stars? Where can you see the stars? In the sky. See in the sky what not you can see? You can see the stars, you can see the moon, right? You can see the planes flying here and there. You can see the helicopters. You can see the birds flying, right? Where do you see this one? In the sky. So what do you see with your eyes? What do you see with your eyes? Stars, moon, helicopters, everything, the whole world is very beautiful. If your eyes is not there, can you see? No, you cannot see. Yes or no? So, what are these all known as, children? This is known as sense organ. So, we are having 5 sense organs. Shall we learn about them? Yes. Just now we have learnt about eyes. Now, next organ. Now next organ we will learn about ears. Now close your ears, children. Close your ears. Close your ears, everybody. Everybody close your ears. Yes. Can you hear anything when you close your ears? No. You cannot hear anything if you close your ears. Now see, children. What is this one, children? What is this one? Yes, you can hear the sound. Now take now Now look, children. So now you can hear? Yes, you can hear. Come on, hear everybody. Hear everybody. Hear everybody. Hear everybody. So what will you do? You hear with your ears, right? Yes. Now, children. Now smell, children. Everybody smell this rose. Smell this rose. Smell this rose. Teacher is also smelling. Wow, nice smell. So what will you do with your nose? You smell. Now, children, close your nose. Close your nose, everybody. Can you breathe in air if you close your eyes? Close, sorry, if you close your nose. What will you do with your nose? You breathe. Now open your hands. Yes. Now what do you breathe? You breathe fresh air. Right, children? You breathe fresh air. Suppose if you will not breathe, what will happen? What will happen? If you cannot breathe, you cannot stay, right? That's the reason we breathe fresh air, right? Now inhale, yes, you are breathing in. Exhale, yeah, you are breathing it out. So what are you breathing, children? You are breathing through your nose, right? Are you breathing with your nose? Everybody are breathing with your nose? Yes, everybody are breathing with the nose, right? Now children, I will give you some things to taste. What is this, children? This is salt. What is this? This is salt. Now everybody taste, children. Everybody taste. Everybody taste. How it is? It is salty, right? It is so very salty. Now look at, children. What is this? This is sugar. What is this? This is sugar. Okay. Now you eat. Now you eat. Now you eat. Wow. How it is tasting, children? Yes, it is tasting sweet. Yes or no? Is it tasting sweet? Yes, it is tasting sweet. Right? Now look here, children. What is this lemon? What is this? Lemon. What is this? Lemon. What is this? Lemon. Now you cut it, and when you taste it, how it is? Oh, it is very sour. Now come on, you taste it, children. You taste better. You taste better. Is it sour? Yes, it is very, very sour. Now, what is this, children? This is bitter gourd.
Ruko.
What is this? This is bitter gourd. Yes. Now I will taste it. Wow, it's so very bitter. Now come on, you taste it, children. You taste it better. How is it? How is it better? It is very, very bitter. So, how do we taste it, children? With the help of tongue. Yes or no? With the help of tongue, you people taste it. So, what are these known as, children? These are all known as sense organ. Yes or no? Now, see, children. What are these? These are eye cubes. These are eye cubes. You touch and see. Oh, it is very cold. So, children, what are these? These are ice cubes. You touch and see, ma. You touch and see, ma. How it is? It is very, very cold. Right? Now, see here. See, teacher is having cup of hot tea. Now teacher is touching in this. So she's feeling very hot. Wow, it's so very hot. Now you all touch and see, children. You all touch and see. How is it? It is very hot. Now what is this, children? What is this? This is sponge. Yes or no? What is this? This is sponge. So, when you touch and see the sponge, it is very, very smooth. Touch and see. Touch and see better. How is it? It is very, very soft and very, very smooth, right? Now see. See, what is this, children? This is a scrubber. It is so very rough. Very rough it is, right? See how rough it is, the scrubber. Touch, children. Yes, is it rough? Yes, beta. Is it rough? Yes, it's very rough. So, how do we touch all these things? With the sense of what? With the sense of skin. Okay, children? With the sense of skin, we touch the hot and cold things. Suppose your mama will slap you, will you get the pain? Yes. So it is the pain what you are getting, it is touching the skin. That's the reason the skin is also a sense organ. So understand, children, everybody? Everybody understood the topic? Yes or no? Everybody understood? So how many sense organs are there? We are having 5 sense organs. Okay, children? Now look at this picture and say everybody, eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. Got it, children? Yes. So how many sense organs are there? There are 5 sense organs. Okay, children. Now, what does the skin does, children? It will cover our whole body. Yes or no? The skin covers our entire body. You have to remember that. Okay, children. Now, let us recap. Tell me the spelling of eyes. E Y E, yes, eyes. Ears. E A R, yes, ears. Nose. N O S E, nose. Tongue. T O N G U E, tongue. Skin. S K I N, skin. Now repeat after me, children. Everybody repeat after me. Now look at the board, children. Everybody. E Y E S, eyes. E A R S, ears. N O S E, nose. T O N G U E, tongue. S K I N, skin. So these are the 5 sense organs. So tomorrow when you come to school, you have to read at home and come to school. Tomorrow I am going to ask you about the 5 sense organs. Okay, children? Take care. Bye. Thank you.